Climate Change Responsibles. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The COVID disaster keeps ravaging planet Earth. It is hardly a turning point for global environmental policy coordination. The economic costs of the coronavirus are now arriving in the form of unemployment, lower production, and steeply increasing deficits and public debt. How to manage the much-needed climate change policies? The big polluters are governed by leaders who fail to take global warming seriously. The IEA predicts that the demand for energy and fossil fuels is not going to secret in the coming decade, despite the rapid rate of innovation around the world. The need for energy is growing in developing countries, providing more electric power to poor people. It is true that the COVID lockdown has reduced energy supply by some 10%, but this is temporary. Moreover, some of the big polluters use the slow process of international negotiations to avoid a radical climate change policy. Transaction costs skyrocket and promises made are reneged upon. Now, global coordination is voluntary except for matters of war and peace, and the IPCC has no control authority. International policy making suffers from much rivalry among big powers. The fear of abrupt climate change is exaggerated, as global warming involves a low but steady temperature increase. It will hit mankind through multiple positive feedback loops, but they all require time before their impact reaches their maximum. So many of the human experienced consequences of climate change, including possible changes through global ocean currents, the melting of the North Pole, Greenland and Antarctica, will be slow. On the other hand, nobody knows what temperature rises mankind can support. How soon global warming will be lethal for humans depends also on what responses governments take in the form of reducing coal power in particular, subsidizing electrical vehicles, protecting all kinds of forests and setting up large carbon capture facilities. Apparently, increases in temperature in the Anthropocenic period have reached a value of 1 degree Celsius caused by emissions of both CO2 and CH4. Carbon dioxide seemed to be more important than CH4 as of now, but that might change in the coming decade. When global warming passes to degrees, a number of tipping points will be triggered. Nobody knows how large temperature increase mankind can support in different parts of the world. People will migrate. When administrations really start to reduce their Mount Everest of carbon dioxide emissions, they have a long way to go before carbon neutrality or even carbon negativity can be accomplished. But what to do if methane emissions start increasing rapidly? In reality, international politics makes effective climate change policy making and implementation impossible, which makes the civilizations of the Earth extremely vulnerable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.